Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Tech How with Shashank, and welcome to the second video of the Ypay series #Bharat Ka Smart Card. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the physical texture and about the card and the packaging box and all those stuff. So let's get into the video. So first of all, the box is very smooth and when I received the packaging it was also good, not at all tampered with it. And first of all, I like the box very much. It's very good to hold in hands, and the sticker feeling over here good. And there is also magnet to the front, which is when you leave it like this it will close automatically. I liked it. I like the packaging, and as soon as we open it we'll get a note like this: congratulations, welcome to the Ypay family. Your journey to financial freedom begins with Ypay here. Thank you, Ypay. And you get a rope to pull this. Okay, it's for this. First let's see what is this. This is a card or a note from Ypay and Yes Bank. Dear card holder, congratulations on going cashless. Enclosed with this letter is your prepaid card issued by Yes Bank in partnership with Ypay. Now you are equipped with, to make cashless payments using your prepaid card across a wide network of merchant establishments and e-commerce sites in India. So as you see, they are mentioned here that the card is valid only in India. Okay. Please do take a moment to read the most important terms and conditions of card usage. Also, please do not forget to sign on the reverse of your card. Wishing you a great experience with Yes Bank Ypay prepaid card. Warm regards, Ypay team. Thank you, Ypay and Yes Bank. Now let's go to the next thing that was there in the box. It's another note. Let's see what it is. So, most important terms and conditions for Yes Bank prepaid instruments. The one that it mentioned in the previous card to read was this itself. These are some important definitions like prepaid instrument, know your customer, personal identification number and holder, all those. I don't think it would be great to show all these and read all these stuff in the video, but just for your reference I would be posting photos at the end of the video of this booklet. However, I'll be reading it. I think this is a bit useful, so I'll read it. Physical card is 500 rupees inclusive of goods and service tax. Ratio of physical card is 250. That is also inclusive of GST. ATM transaction cost is 20 rupees, which is not inclusive of GST. It is going to include it later. Balance inquiry through ATM charges 10 rupees plus GST. So let's go to the next segment. Okay, and bring the box again, open it. There are many cards, more than the packaging and the debit card. There are 500 more cards in it only. Okay, keep it apart. These are simple steps to activate Ypay card. First is you need to download the app. Then is complete your know your customer KYC. That is, it will ask you for Aadhaar card details and you need to fill it, and a guardian or a parent's PAN card, a driving license or anything like that to confirm that you are below 18 and your parents or your guardian is above 18. And then we need to go to card activation, then enter the kit number provided at the back of your box. Actually, there is a number provided at the back of this box which I would not show for privacy reasons. And these are your account and card will be activated. Congratulations, your Ypay card is activated. Great. Okay, so be a Ypay influencer. Make a video and earn rewards. Just to earn rewards and cash back on the app so that you can use it. during your transactions. Activate card on Ypay app, make a short video with your Ypay card and tag Ypay, earn rewards and cashback. Thank you. Now comes the main part. Wait. I am a smart spender. You see, there's a card. I am a smart spender. Yes, I am. So this is the Ypay card with a partnership with Yes Bank, and the card is very smooth, though you can see some scratches initially without any use itself, and it has mentioned that it is for use in India only. So it is powered by Rupay. The transactions will be held by Rupay, and as you can see, there is no NFC or RFID transaction, that is tap to pay, in this card. So you can see the back of the card also. It has a metal strap for electronic use only. It's not transferable, of course, and of course I am hiding CVV and valid date for security reason. And there's a lot more written followers on Facebook and Twitter, and powered by NeoCred. So that was all by Ypay and the card for this video. Thanks for watching. That's all about the physical and conditions of the card, which was great, but there were a few scratches, and my suggestion is that Ypay could also add the name on the card. Like suppose it's my card, so my name would be there on it, like that, or any customizable name like how the other teenage debit card wallet banks give, like that option should be there. But never mind, it was a good try by Ypay and I liked it. Thank you, Team Ypay.